Okay, so get this. Imagine a company deciding to celebrate the holidays. Not with like, the usual sales and stuff,
Right.
but by just dropping incredible new AI tech almost every single day.
Wow.
That's what we're diving into today.
Okay.
It's been wild, just this constant stream of reveals.
Yeah, it's really remarkable, actually, just
Yeah.
the sheer variety and speed of all of these advancements we're seeing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, everything from, like, practical upgrades
Yeah,
to things that, honestly, a year ago would have seemed like pure science fiction.
totally. Like,
Uh,
remember when
yeah.
AI image generators were like the hot new thing?
Oh, yeah.
Now we're talking about AI that can make videos from your words.
Oh, no.
Not just blurry blogs either.
Yeah.
Like realistic scenes,
Yeah.
characters,
Yeah.
even special effects.
That's Sora. And
Yeah.
the early demos. I mean, they've been generating a lot of buzz for good reason.
Yeah.
Imagine a platform, like YouTube. But instead of user-uploaded videos,
Yeah.
it's all AI-generated content.
Crazy.
Wild.
And that was just from one day's announcement.
Exactly.
Like, we've got so much to cover.
Yeah.
Like enhanced voice controls, deeper integration with phones. They even announced like a special Santa voice you can chat with.
Oh, wow.
So are you ready to like break it all down?
Yeah, let's do it. It is fascinating to see how much ground this company
Yeah.
has covered in just a week.
All right, so let's start with December 5th. They kick things off with two major upgrades for their popular chatbot.
Okay.
A new subscription tier they're calling Pro,
Mm-hmm.
and the full rollout of their O1 model.
Okay.
So what's the big deal with this O1 model?
So think of it this way.
Okay.
The O1 model is like the engine that powers the chatbot.
Okay.
This new version, it's not only like more powerful,
Yeah.
capable of handling, more complex tasks,
Yeah.
but it also generates text that sounds even more human-like.
So that means even better and faster responses.
Exactly.
What about this Pro version then?
Yeah.
Who's that for?
It seems to be aimed at people who really rely on this chatbot
Okay.
for work or creative projects, like the power users.
Okay.
The details are still a bit scarce, but
Yeah.
it likely offers things like, higher usage limits,
Okay.
early access to new features, maybe even like dedicated support.
Makes sense. Like,
Yeah.
as more and more people are using these tools,
Right.
you're going to need options for, like,
Yeah.
different levels of access.
Right.
Okay.
Exactly.
On to December 6th.
Okay.
This one is a bit more on the
Yeah.
technical side, but
Yeah.
still super important, I think.
Okay.
They expanded access to their reinforcement fine-tuning research program.
This is where it gets really interesting, I think,
Okay.
for developers.
Yeah.
Reinforcement fine-tuning is like giving these AI models really intensive, specialized training. Instead of like a general AI, you can create one that's incredibly good at a very specific task.
So instead of a jack of all trades, you could have an AI that's like a master at
Right.
analyzing medical data
Yeah.
or writing legal briefs or something.
Exactly. Think about the possibilities for businesses,
Yeah.
researchers, anyone who needs AI customized
Yeah.
for their own, very specific needs. It's still in limited access, but they're aiming to make it publicly available in early 2025.
Ooh, something to look forward to.
For sure.
Now on to December 7th.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Did they take a day off?
It appears so.
Nothing happened.
Even AI needs a break now and then.
Right. Even Santa's elves get a day off.
Exactly.
All right, let's jump ahead to December 8th then.
Okay.
What did they come up with after their little break?
So it looks like they're diving deeper into
Okay.
integrating their AI with existing platforms. They announced a tool called Canvas is coming to all web users,
Okay.
no matter what subscription plan you have,
Okay.
within this new GPT 4.0 thing.
Okay, so break it down for me.
Okay.
What exactly is Canvas?
Yeah.
Why should we care?
Imagine you're working on a project. Let's say you're writing a presentation.
Okay.
Canvas is like this supercharged whiteboard built right into the chatbot.
Okay.
So you can brainstorm, organize your thoughts, even draft, different sections
Okay.
all in one place.
So it's less about the AI like writing the content itself.
Right.
And more about helping you structure and organize your ideas.
Yeah.
Like a digital assistant for your creative process.
That's a great way to put it.
Okay.
And by making it available to everyone, they're giving a much wider audience access to this powerful organizational tool.
Okay, that's a big move.
Yeah.
Okay, December 9th.
This is when things got really futuristic.
You're not kidding.
Yeah.
This was the unveiling of their video generation model, Sora.
Right.
And let me tell you, it lived up to all the hype.
I saw the demo and, I mean...
It was amazing.
It was like watching a movie.
Yeah.
But the director was somebody typing in prompts.
I know.
How does this Sora thing even work?
So it's pretty amazing, actually.
Yeah.
Sora can create videos from scratch.
Okay.
Just by using text prompts, much like you would with, the chatbot.
Okay.
But it can also do some other really cool stuff.
Yeah.
Like modify existing videos.
Okay.
Or even generate an entire video.
Really?
From just a single image.
Hold on. Are you telling me?
Yeah.
I could upload a picture of my dog.
Yeah.
And have Sora make a video of him, like, skateboarding or something.
Theoretically, yes.
Wow.
And the quality is what's so impressive.
Yeah.
Realistic lighting, textures, movement. It's not perfect yet.
Yeah.
But it's way beyond anything we've seen before. It's really incredible.
This is wild.
Totally.
And they're already talking about an explore page.
Yes.
Where people can share their Sora creations.
I know, it's like YouTube.
Right.
But for AI-generated content.
That's exactly what I thought.
Yeah.
It's like YouTube for AI-generated content.
It's a smart move, too.
Yeah.
By building a community around Sora, they're encouraging people to, get creative and experiment.
Right.
It was also a great way for them to get feedback and, further refine the model.
Okay, I need a moment to catch my breath.
Take your time.
We've gone from enhanced text generation to AI that makes videos in the blink of an eye.
No.
What's next?
Oh.
Flying cars.
We'll see.
Teleportation.
December 10th brought us back down to Earth, but still with some impressive advancements.
Okay.
Remember Canvas?
That digital whiteboard tool we talked about?
Yeah, wasn't that already rolled out to everyone?
It was.
Yeah.
But this is a big upgrade.
Oh, okay.
Before, you had to, go to a separate toggle to access Canvas. Now it's built right into GPT-4o, making it even easier to use. You can just call in Canvas directly within the model.
So it's all about making these powerful tools easier to access and use.
Exactly.
Like streamlining the experience.
Streamlining, exactly.
Okay.
And they've kept the same interface.
Okay.
With the, Q&A table on one side and your project display with all the edits on the other. So if you're already familiar with Canvas, there's no learning curve.
Smart move.
It is.
Anything else about this update that
yes, actually
stands out to you?
There's one very important addition.
Okay.
Now, Canvas can actually run Python code directly.
Oh, well.
This means the AI can execute coding tasks right within the Canvas environment, like fixing bugs or even generating simple scripts.
Whoa. So now the AI can not only write, but also debug code on the fly?
I know.
That's a game changer for anyone working with code.
Huge. Yeah.
Imagine having this, AI assistant to help streamline your workflow.
Absolutely. It could be incredibly valuable for, developers, researchers, anyone who needs to work with code.
Okay, on to December 11th.
Okay.
This one is especially interesting, I think, for anyone who loves their Apple devices.
Indeed. This day was all about integrating the chatbot with Apple's latest operating system, iOS 18.2.
Okay.
It's a big step.
Yeah.
Putting the power of this AI right into the hands of, millions of iPhone users.
So can I just chat with the AI directly through Siri now?
Not quite through Siri directly, but it's close. They've enhanced Siri to recognize when you're asking something that goes beyond, its usual capabilities.
Yeah.
Something the chatbot might be better at answering.
Okay.
In those cases, Siri will ask if you want to use the chatbot to, process your query.
Okay, that's clever. Keep Siri as the main interface, but then taps into the chatbot's knowledge.
Right.
When needed.
When needed, exactly.
Does this mean I can finally get Siri to answer?
Maybe.
My deep philosophical questions.
We'll have to see about that.
Okay.
But remember, it's still subject to, the same daily usage limits as the free version.
Right, it's like a little taste
Yeah.
of the premium experience.
Exactly.
What other chatbot features have they integrated into iOS 18.2?
So 2 other big ones are visual intelligence and enhanced writing tools. Visual intelligence is available on the iPhone 16 lineup and lets you use your camera to interact with the chatbot. Oh, wow.
Point it at something and ask the AI to, identify it, tell you about it, or even translate text.
Wow, like having a portable AI-powered research assistant in your pocket.
Exactly.
I can see how that would be useful.
Yeah.
For all sorts of things.
All sorts of things.
And the enhanced writing tools now have a compose feature.
Right.
Powered by the chatbot.
By the chatbot, yes.
You can generate text from scratch. And even use Delay for image creation.
Yeah.
Right within iOS.
Right within iOS, yeah.
So you can have the chatbot write anything.
Right.
From emails to entire stories.
Yeah.
All within the iOS ecosystem. And even add AI-generated images.
Exactly.
That's powerful.
It's really powerful, yeah, making creative writing much more accessible and engaging.
Okay, so iOS 18.2 is looking pretty impressive with all these AI integrations.
It is, yeah.
But before we get too carried away...
It's important to note that users have control over whether they want to use these features or not.
Right.
They can opt out in their settings if they prefer.
Absolutely. Giving users control over, their data and how these features are integrated is crucial.
Okay, on to December 12th, the last day of this AI extravaganza so far.
Yeah.
And they saved a big one for last, didn't they?
They did. So first they addressed their live stream crash from the day before. Apologized for the inconvenience. And promised a post-mortem analysis later. Then the big news. Advanced voice mode now has screen sharing and visual capabilities.
Wait, the AI can now see?
That's right.
Like actually understand what's happening on my screen?
Yeah.
Or through my phone camera?
It builds on their existing advanced voice mode, which was already impressive with its natural sounding conversations and ability to handle interruptions. But now it can analyze visual information too. Adding a whole new layer of context.
So instead of just telling the chatbot about a problem, I can show it what's happening on my screen. And it can help me troubleshoot in real time.
Exactly. They did a demo where someone was getting step-by-step instructions on how to make coffee as they went through the motions. The AI provided verbal feedback and directions based on what it was seeing.
That's incredible.
It is.
Imagine using that for cooking.
Oh, yeah.
Assembling furniture. Even learning a new skill.
Right.
The possibilities are endless.
And to top it off, they've added a special Santa voice for the holidays.
Really?
You just click on
oh, wow.
a snowflake icon to activate it.
Cool.
And get this.
What?
The first time you talk to Santa, your usage limits are reset.
Ha!
I know.
That's clever.
It's pretty fun.
Beyond the holiday fun, though.
Yeah.
This whole screen sharing thing feels like a huge leap forward.
It is.
It's like AI is moving from just understanding our words to understanding our world.
It really is. And that raises some, fascinating questions about how these visual capabilities will change our interaction with AI.
Right.
And what new applications and possibilities will emerge.
I know.
Yeah. It's really interesting to think about.
We could talk about the philosophical implications all day long, but...
We could.
I think we should take a step back. And just absorb what we've learned so far.
Yeah.
In 1 week.
I know.
This company has rolled out an unbelievable amount.
It's true.
Of new AI tech.
It's been a whirlwind of announcements.
I know.
From enhanced text generation to video creation to seamless integration with, popular platforms. It's clear they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. And they're doing it incredibly fast.
It's mind-boggling how much has happened.
I know.
In a few days.
Yeah.
And we're not even done yet.
Not even close.
There's still a few more days left in their big reveal.
That's right.
What are you most curious to see them announce next?
I'm particularly interested in seeing how they continue to develop Sora.
Oh, yeah.
The potential for AI-generated video is enormous.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see how, creative people and developers use it in new and innovative ways.
I'm with you on that.
Yeah.
Sora could be revolutionary. Not just for entertainment, but for education.
Yeah.
Research. Countless other fields.
So many.
But with all this talk about AI advancement, it's important to remember that these tools are ultimately in our hands.
It's true. Yeah, it's true. I mean, all this progress is exciting and maybe a little unsettling at times, but we're not done yet.
Okay.
Let's see what they had in store on December 13th.
Okay. What's next in this AI marathon?
Okay.
Did they, come up with something just as mind-blowing as Sora?
So this one was a bit different.
Okay.
They announced Project Morpheus. A research initiative focused on building AI systems with a deeper understanding of, human emotions.
Hold on. AI that understands emotions?
Right.
Is this going to lead to, robots that can cry or get angry?
It's not about, recreating human emotions in machines.
Okay.
Think of it more like developing AI that can recognize and respond to human emotions in a nuanced way.
Okay, so less about robots having feelings.
Right.
And more about AI getting better at understanding ours.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That still sounds pretty complicated.
It is.
How would that even work?
I mean, we express emotions in so many ways, right?
Yeah.
Facial expressions, tone of voice, the words we use. Project Morpheus is likely about training AI on massive amounts of this kind of data.
So it's like teaching AI to read between the lines, to pick up on those subtle cues that tell us how someone is really feeling.
Exactly. And the potential applications are, pretty amazing.
Okay, yeah.
Imagine, therapists using AI to, better understand their patients, or customer service chatbots that can de-escalate, tense situations.
I can even see it being used in education. Imagine.
Yeah.
An AI tutor that can sense.
Right.
When a student is getting frustrated.
Exactly.
And adjust its teaching style to help them.
It's an intriguing possibility, for sure.
Yeah.
But we also need to remember this is still, early stage research.
Right.
There are a lot of technical and ethical challenges to figure out before we see AI that can truly grasp human emotions in all their complexity.
Good point. Exciting possibilities.
Yeah.
But we definitely need to approach this one carefully.
For sure.
Okay, moving on to December 14th.
Right.
What did they unveil next?
So this day brought updates on their efforts to make their AI systems safer and more reliable.
Okay.
They're partnering with several universities and research institutions to develop, advanced techniques for detecting and reducing bias in AI.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
We've talked a lot about the potential benefits of AI.
Yeah.
But making sure these systems are, fair and unbiased is absolutely crucial.
Totally.
How are they going to tackle this?
They're taking a multi-pronged approach, I guess you could say.
Okay.
So they're working on new algorithms that can spot and fix bias in the data used to train AI.
Okay.
As well as developing stricter testing methods to ensure the AI behaves as intended.
So it's not just about making the AI itself unbiased.
Right.
It's also about ensuring that the data it learns from
exactly
is representative and fair.
Exactly.
Okay.
And involving these external experts is key.
Yeah.
Bringing in diverse perspectives and independent oversight helps ensure these efforts are, really effective.
The more eyes on the problem, the better.
Yeah, fairly.
What about December 15th?
Okay.
What did they announce then?
This day took us into the world of AI-powered creativity.
Okay.
They've released a new tool called Muse.
Okay.
Designed to help musicians compose and produce music.
Wait, AI that makes music.
That's right.
We've already seen those AI-generated pop songs.
Yeah.
What's different about Muse?
So Muse is more than just a melody generator.
Okay.
It's designed as a collaborative tool for musicians.
Okay.
To explore new ideas, experiment with different sounds, and even overcome writer's block.
So it's not about replacing human musicians.
No.
But about giving them new tools to expand their creativity.
That's the idea. Imagine humming a tune into Muse and having it create a full orchestral arrangement.
Wow.
Or, using it to come up with different variations
Yeah.
on a melody you're working on.
That's amazing. This could be a game changer for
Huge.
like
Yes.
songwriters, composers, film scores. It's like having a whole band at your fingertips.
It really is a powerful example of how AI can be used not just for automation, but to inspire and empower human creativity.
I love that. All right, December 16th, what do they announce next?
So this day focused on advancements in natural language processing, a field that's been, central to their work. They announced a new model called Hermes, which they claim can understand and generate human language with a level of fluency and accuracy we've never seen before.
Okay, so another language model. But what makes Hermes different from the others?
It comes down to scale and sophistication.
Okay.
Hermes has been trained on a vastly larger set of text and code than any of their, previous models, giving it a deeper understanding of how humans actually use language.
So we're talking even more natural sounding conversations.
Exactly.
Better translations.
Yeah.
More accurate summaries.
Yes, and even more.
Okay.
Hermes is multimodal.
Okay.
Which means it can understand and generate content in different formats.
Oh, wow.
Text, images, even audio.
Wait, so you're telling me I could describe a scene to Hermes?
Yeah.
And it could generate a matching image or a short video clip.
That's the potential. Yeah.
Wow.
It opens up so many possibilities.
Yeah.
For, storytelling, content creation.
Yeah.
Even virtual reality experiences.
It's incredible how AI is evolving to not just understand our language, but to communicate like we do.
Yeah.
Using words and images and sounds.
Totally.
What's next? AI writing novels.
Well. Oh, wait. Neat heat.
Okay.
December 17th brought us news on their robotics front.
Okay.
They've partnered with a leading robotics company to develop AI systems for, controlling robots.
So smarter robots.
Right.
More adaptable.
Yeah.
Maybe even able to do more complex tasks.
Exactly.
What exactly are they aiming for?
The goal is to create robots that can learn from their surroundings, interact with humans more naturally, and even solve problems, on their own.
That's got huge implications for industries like
huge.
Manufacturing, healthcare, even space exploration.
Right.
And imagine robots working safely alongside humans in dangerous environments.
Yeah.
Or assisting with delicate surgeries.
Absolutely.
It's really fascinating.
The potential is vast, but as with, any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations too.
Of course.
As robots become more advanced, we need to think carefully about, their role in society and make sure they're used for good.
You're absolutely right. We need to be having these conversations now.
Yeah.
Before the technology gets so advanced that it becomes difficult to control.
Absolutely.
What happened on December 18th?
Okay, so they announced a new educational initiative to make AI education accessible to everyone.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
We've talked about how, understanding AI is important for everyone, not just tech experts.
Right.
What does this initiative actually involve?
So they're partnering with schools, universities, and online learning platforms to create a wide range of educational resources, from introductory courses to, advanced training.
So whether you're a student, a teacher,
yeah,
or just someone curious about AI, there'll be resources available to help you learn.
That's the goal. It's a smart move on their part.
Yeah.
By making AI, less mysterious and more accessible to a wider audience. They're helping ensure everyone can participate in the conversation about, this transformative technology.
Absolutely. The more people who understand AI, the better equipped we'll be to navigate its potential benefits and challenges.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, on to December 19th. What do they have in store?
Okay, so this day highlighted their commitment to open research and collaboration.
Okay.
They're launching a new research platform.
Okay.
Where researchers from around the world can share their work, collaborate on projects, and access their powerful tools and resources.
Wow, that's big. opening up to research like this could really speed up progress in the field.
It could.
What kind of impact do you think this will have?
It has the potential to be like revolutionary, honestly.
Okay.
By fostering a more open and collaborative research environment, they're encouraging, innovation and knowledge sharing on a global scale. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas like, healthcare, climate change.
Right.
So many other fields.
It's exciting to think about the possibilities,
It is.
Bringing together, like, the brightest minds from all over the world.
Yeah.
We could solve some of humanity's biggest challenges.
It's a hopeful vision, I guess you could say. And it really underscores the importance of, collaboration. And tackling these complex issues.
For sure. What about December 20th?
Okay.
What happened then?
This day brought us back to more practical applications. They announced a suite of new tools designed to help businesses integrate AI into their operations.
So AI-powered tools for things like marketing, customer service, data analysis.
Exactly. Right. These tools are designed to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and help businesses, make smarter decisions based on data.
This could be huge for smaller businesses.
It could,
that may not have the resources to develop their own AI solution.
It's a sign that AI is moving beyond, research labs and into the mainstream of how businesses operate.
Okay, we're down to the wire. December 21st, the grand finale of their big reveal.
Right.
What did they say for last?
So they went big.
Okay.
They announced the launch of a long-term research project focused on developing artificial general intelligence.
Whoa, hold on.
Or AGI.
Isn't that like the kind of AI we see in movies?
Right.
Those super intelligent machines that can think and learn just like humans.
That's the idea.
Okay.
Though we're still, a long way from anything that sophisticated.
Yeah.
AGI is often seen as the holy grail of AI research. Okay. It's a hypothetical type of AI that would have, human-level intelligence and abilities across a wide range of tasks.
So it's not just AI being good at specific things like playing chess or writing emails.
Exactly.
It's about AI being able to think and learn and adapt.
Yeah.
Just like we do.
That's right.
Wow.
It's a goal that's both, incredibly fascinating.
Yeah.
And a little bit scary.
Right.
The potential benefits are huge.
Yeah.
But the risks are, just as significant.
It's like opening Pandora's box, right?
Yeah.
We could unlock incredible advancements.
Yeah.
But we could also create something we can't control.
That's a great way to put it.
Yeah.
It highlights the need for, careful planning.
Right.
And ethical guidelines as we move into, this uncharted territory.
Okay, I need a minute to, process all this.
Yeah, take your time.
We've gone from improved chatbots to video generation, to robots, to the quest for artificial general intelligence.
I know.
This week has been a whirlwind, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible with AI.
It's been an extraordinary journey. They've not only shown us how fast AI is progressing, but also given us, a glimpse into a future where AI is deeply woven into our lives.
Right.
For better or for worse.
It's exciting and a little terrifying at the same time.
Yeah, definitely.
On one hand, we have these incredible tools that could solve huge problems. But we also have to be aware of, the potential risks and make sure AI is developed and used responsibly.
I agree.
Right.
And that's where the conversation, needs to continue.
Yeah.
You can't just be amazed by the technology without also thinking about the, ethical, social, and philosophical implications.
Right. It's not just about what AI can do.
Exactly.
It's about what we want it to do and how we want to live with it.
That's a great way to frame it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are the questions we'll need to, grapple with as AI continues to evolve.
Right.
And become more integrated into our world.
We've covered so much ground here. From
I know, it's a lot.
Those practical updates to mind-bending research projects.
That's true.
This event has given us a lot to think about.
Yeah.
But before we wrap up,
I
want to go back to a question we posed earlier.
Right.
With AI becoming so powerful and accessible, what are you most excited or concerned about?
It's a question that really gets to the heart of this whole conversation, you know?
Right.
This past week has been full of, like, amazing developments, but they also force us to confront some, like, pretty big ethical and societal questions.
Exactly. So, listener,
Yeah.
I want to turn it over to you.
Okay.
What stood out to you the most
Right.
from everything we've discussed?
Yeah.
What are you, most hopeful about?
Right.
And what worries you?
Maybe you're excited about the creative potential
Yeah.
of tools like Sora and Muse.
Uh-huh.
Or fascinated by the idea of AI-powered robots.
Yeah.
Or maybe you're more concerned about, like, the potential for job displacement.
Right.
Biased algorithms. Or even that idea of, like, super intelligent AI we talked about.
Right. Whatever your perspective is,
Yeah.
we encourage you to, really think critically about these issues.
For sure.
And to, talk about them with others.
Right. Have those conversations.
This isn't just some, abstract sci-fi concept.
Yeah.
It's going to have a real impact.
It is.
On all our lives.
And it's interesting that this company seems to be, aware of that too.
Yeah.
Their focus on safety research, bias mitigation, responsible development,
Right.
suggests they're thinking about these potential pitfalls.
Yeah.
And actively working to address them.
It's not just about building cool technology.
Right, exactly.
It's about building technology that
Yeah.
benefits humanity.
Right.
Not the other way around.
Exactly.
And that takes, a collaborative effort, right?
Yeah.
Not just from the developers.
Right.
But from policymakers.
Uh-huh.
Educators.
Yeah, yeah.
Everyday people like us.
Exactly. We're all in this together.
Yeah.
And the more we, understand about AI,
Right.
the better prepared we'll be to guide its development and make sure it's used for, the right reasons.
So that's our deep dive.
Yeah.
Into this whirlwind of AI announcements.
I know.
It's been quite a ride.
It has.
From enhanced chatbots
Right. Yeah.
to video generation to the quest for artificial general intelligence.
Yeah.
I mean, the world of AI is evolving.
It is.
At an incredible pace.
At an unbelievable pace. And
we're just at the beginning of this journey.
It's an exciting time to be alive, but it's also a time for, careful consideration.
Right.
As we continue to explore what AI can do, we need to remember that, great power comes with great responsibility.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Thanks.
And with that, we'll leave you with one final thought to ponder.
Okay.
If you could ask this company's most advanced AI system just one question, what would it be?
What question would unlock the greatest insight?
Right.
The most profound truth?
Yeah.
Or maybe the most unsettling revelation?
Oh.
Think about it.
Yeah, think about it.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep diving deep.
See you next time.